Disconnect from the world for a moment. Pull your mind from the apps of apathy. See the fear in the mirror growing. Ride the waves of relief, tragedy. You keep hoping that tomorrow will be better. When it comes, there's another complication. You want to move, want to run for the mountains. Climb alone to the crest and rest. A message lost in the hidden cost, and there's no happy nihilist. Why are you buying now? Why are you crying? Can't pay the bills, but your clothes are worth dying for. Set aside your beginning. You stand alone in the fog of ignorance. Take the moments, read the silence. Let the facts lie like mystery. Only fools want to be the diva. Sit apart on a throne of expectation. Just slow down, take a breath. In the eyes you can see the sublime. Message lost in the hidden cost, and there's no purpose in apathy. Why are you buying now? Why are you crying? Can't pay the rent, but your trip is worth dying for.